Oh, go na walking, dali. I will follow you.
No, this one has rainbow lights.
Oh, it's nice.
Let's go.
There's a rainbow light. Oh, we take a picture then. You need to scan here. Scan the QR, fill on your waiver, and show stop for entry. Sienna, what are you looking then? Go na there, Sienna. No, in here only there. Oh. Sienna, follow Dad. It's a visible one. Ready? Whee! Opera magic.
Wow.
Wow.
That's so cool. And one for you as well. Perfect.
Galing.
Thank
you.
So for the playground center, isn't it
Yeah,
just
can
feel
you
1850 per child?
Yeah.
That is a 3-hour session that includes the rock climbing and playground. We also do offer arcade games just like Time Zone. Those cards start at $25. The $25 card allows you approximately around 10 to 12 games. Up to school set of characters here. You guys are free to sit wherever you like today. When you're ready to order any food or drinks, you can come up to the cashiers with your table number and we bring out everything to you. Thank you.
How about the socks? How about the socks?
The socks?
Yeah, that's the...
So when you buy the admission for the playground, the socks are included, so they'll get Chuck E. Cheese socks.
Ah, okay. Thank you. Peira, hi. It's like a house Halloween music. It's like a time zone, no? Oh, that's the game, Sienna. When you play like a time zone, then you will get the points. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, I will picture you in the cheese. Dali, you go here. I will picture you here in the word Chuck cheese. Oh, dali, you stand there. Yeah. Can I see the socks? Can I see the socks, Sienna? Can I see the socks?
Oh my god!
Oh, that's the socks. Chuck E. Cheese. Wow, it's like Sienna's moving. Sienna, you step it! High five! High five, Peira! High five! 0 to 3 years old. Sa mga baby. Kasi dito kami sa ano eh. Ayan. Malaki yung area. Kaya nagpunta kasi kami ngayon. Walang, school time. So, lahat ng mga bata nasa school. Eh, si Sienna, walang pasok dahil punta kami ng check-up. So, nandito kami ngayon. Walang busy. Ganito pala dito pag may school time. Wala masyadong tao. Pero ang laki ng area, oh. Ang dami rin pwedeng upuan. isang 0 to 3 years old. Ayan. Maganda din. Pambata lang talaga. Kaya lang sila Sienna na. Doon na sa 4 to 12. Dito sila. Beira! Whee!
Remove your shoes now. They will be sliding the grip.
Ouch! Ayun sila umaakyat. Ayan. Papunta sila dito.
Why you put your arm? You're gonna hit your arm.
Oo, don't put your arms.
Is that fun?
Meron din silang rock climbing here. Ayan.
With the safety rope, if they fall, it's not falling.
There. Sienna, rock climbing, oh. There, oh, that's the thing. This one, oh.
Safety rope.
Sienna, you play na.
This was supposed to be.
Where are you going?
Can you help me?
Wait, your dad. Pera. Oh, where are you going? Dali, go there, walk. Pera, walk. Pati ako umakit sa taas. Ayun na itsura niya, oh. There you go, there, Pera. There. Oh, let's go na down. Oh, wait there. Pera! Hey! Oh, stay there for a while. Where's Pera? Where's Sienna? Pera, you shooting? You shooting to your dad? This one. Pera!
You need to put the ball inside.
Oh, go! Wow! You go to your dad. You no, this one, Pera. You will press to the dad like that. You will shoot your dad. You will shoot your dad after you put the ball and press, and then shoot your dad. There, oh.
Dude, it's not ball.
You need to wait for the ball. Ano yung itsura niya, guys, ng birthday? Ito pang maliit na birthday, eh, oh. 2 table lang siya. Ayan. Meron pang isang pang birthday. Ito pa. May automatic balloon light na. Ayan. Ang ganda, diba? Kaset in last. Ayan. Ayan ang itsura niya ng other birthday. Diba? Nandito sila si Sienna. Magpe-play sila. Oh, parang time zone, diba? Oh, ang laki. Ang laki ng laruan. Ayan sila. Parang siyang time zone na. Tapos, play area pa indoor for the kids. Oh, really? Parang time zone nga. Ito yung mga bata. Yan naman ako, kasama naman ako sa video. Ito sila yung nilalaro sila. Ito yung mga bata. Ayan. Ayan si Wayne. Hi, Pera! Pera! You wait, it's 4 minutes.
come soon again. There. Go and see it. Look at the kids are dancing. Go and see it.
Madonna.
Go with Ali. Go with Ali.
You will see it there. Look.
There, the shadow. See, it's not fast, it's slow only.
There. You can do it there also.
It's slow, super slow.
Look fast.
It's not look too much, fast.